Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today we are learning balancing the half equation, which is the important point of which is a very important question for all the A level examination. You will definitely get one question based on balancing half equation by ion electron method by using both ions and electron. Mostly we use electron to balance the equation. Look at that. First, I will teach you the rules to balance the half equation. Look at that equation. MnO4 minus becomes Mn2 plus. One more equation, that's complete equation. So we divide that equation into two parts. Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus. Later, I will write the one complete equation and I will show you how to split them based on the oxidation and reduction. First, we will follow some rules to balance the half equation. Look at that. It is one complete equation, but I split into two equations based on the compounds which or the elements which get oxidized or the elements which get reduced. So these two are separate equations. We are writing these equations separately. So let's focus on MnO4 minus. It becomes Mn2 plus. See that? So look at that. How to balance this one? Oxygen and overall charge is -1. Always balance elements by just inspection. Now, the second part is balance oxygen. So arbitrarily, I divided this as my right side and this is my left hand side. Okay. On the left hand side, I have excess oxygen. So how you would like to balance the oxygen? Oxygen atoms are balanced by using water molecule. Balance oxygen atoms by adding water molecule, by adding H2O. On which side? Where we have no oxygen or less oxygen, by adding H2O. On the which side we have no oxygen? On the right hand side. Add water molecule on the right hand side. MnO4 minus becomes Mn2 plus. How many oxygen atoms are more on the left side? 4. Add 4 water molecule, 4H2O. When you add 4 water molecule on the right hand side, hydrogen atom get exceeded, or we have hydrogen atoms on the right side. How can we balance hydrogen atoms? Balance hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ion. You know, we can balance this equation in two conditions, in acidic medium and in alkaline medium. So first we are doing acidic media or acidic medium. Balancing the half equation by using ion electron method in acidic medium. Okay, that's why we are adding H plus ion. How many hydrogen are extra on the right side? 8. Add 8H plus on the left side. There is no such right hand side and left hand side. For my convenience or to explain, I just arbitrarily taken as that's the right side and that's the left side. So add 8H plus on the right hand side, on the left side, plus MnO4 minus becomes and 2 plus plus 4H2O. Okay. Now, the final part is balance the charges. Work out the charges on both the side. 8 positive guys, take away 1 negative. How many positives are here? 7 positive. So on this side I have 7 positive charges, and on the right side 2 positive charge. So out of 7 positive charge, it gives away 2 positive charge on the product side. So how many positive charges are left on the left side? 5 positive charge. One more time. Look at that. 8 positive charge, take away 1 negative charge. How many positive charges are there on the left side? 7 positive charges. Out of 7 positive charges, on the reactant side, the reactants gives 2 positive charge on the product side. So take away 2 positive charge. That's 5 positive charges on the left side. So how can we balance positive charges? By using electron. So add 5 electron. Which side we have more positive charge? Left side. So add electron on the left side where we have excess positive charges. Balance positive charges by adding electrons the side where we have more positive side charge, where we have more positive charge. How many positive charges are extra here? 5. So add 5 electrons. 5 electrons plus 8H plus MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. Now check whether this reaction is completely balanced or not. Look, how many Mn? 1 Mn, 1 Mn on both the sides. Perfectly balanced. How many oxygen atom? 4 oxygen atom. 4 times 1, 4 oxygen atom. 8 hydrogen atoms. 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen atoms. Now the charges. 8 positive, 5 negative, electron has a negative charge. 5 plus 1, 6 negative charge. 8 positive, look at the 8 positive charge on this side. 8 positive charge minus 6 negative charge. How many left? 2 positive. So 2 positive left on the product side. So everything is balanced here. Now, what's the another half equation? Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus. Now Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus. These two are one equation. Look, MnO4 minus gains the electron here. So MnO4 minus get reduced here. That's why MnO4 minus act as a well-known oxidizing agent. It oxidizes Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. Oxidizes meaning it takes the electron from Fe to Fe3 plus. One more thing, I've seen in many textbooks or most of the teachers, first they will write the complete equation, and what they will do, they will work out the elements which undergo oxidize and the elements which undergo reduce, and they will keep them separate in 2 equations. I will teach you this later on, but I want to start the half equation first, and what are the rules to balance the half equation. Then we will crack the questions based on the complete equation. So the another part of this equation is Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus, meaning MnO4 minus oxidizes Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. Is there any oxygen? No. So we don't need to balance the oxygen atom. Don't worry about the oxygen atom. So don't need to balance hydrogen. How many Fe? 2 Fe. How many Fe? Sorry. How many Fe? 1 Fe ion, 1 Fe ion. Okay. Now we have to balance the charges. Look at the one. 2 positive, 3 positive. Which side positive charges are excess? This end. So I want to add 1 electron here to balance this equation. Okay. Yeah, this equation is balanced. Yes. How many Fe? 1 Fe on the reactant side. How many Fe on the product side? 1 Fe on the product side. 2 positive, 3 positive, 1 negative. Balance. After that, you have to add both the equations. Suppose this is my one equation or a equation or anything. I don't mind. Suppose this is my one equation, which undergo reduction. So this is my oxidation equation. You can give any notation, any numbering, or any letter, whatever you feel convenient. So this is my 2-1. When we balance the overall equation, you have to cancel the electrons. That's my first, guys. That's my first. When you balance these two overall equation, you have to cancel the electron in both the equation. How I cancel the electrons? First of all, check the electrons should be on the opposite side of the reaction. This is on the left side, this is on the right side. So if the electrons are both are on the same side, it means you have done some mistake. So check the electron should be on the opposite ends. How can we balance the electron? This equation has 5 electrons and that equation has 1 electron. So the easy way, I have to time this equation 2 by 5. I want to time this by 5. So what you will get 5 Fe2 plus 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron. Agree? Okay. Just I want to rub that one. Now look at that one. So 5, I want to rewrite these two. 5 electron plus 8H plus MnO4 minus becomes Mn2 plus 4H2O. That's my one equation. Another equation, 5 Fe2 plus becomes 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron. Add these two equations, add both these half equation in such a way that no electrons left in overall equation. So in the overall equation, there will be no, in the overall equation, we should not left with any electron. Let's see. So cancel electrons. So these 5 electrons get cancelled from this side, these 5 cancel from that side, and randomly you can add reactant on the reactant side and a product on the product side. So on the reactant side, we have MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 Fe2 plus That gives Mn2 plus 4H2O plus 5Fe3 plus. Is that okay? Now we have to check is everything balanced or not. How many Mn? 1 Mn, 1 Mn. Okay. How many oxygen atoms? 4 oxygen from here, 4 oxygen from here, 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen. Okay. How many hydrogen? 8 hydrogen. 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen. How many Fe? 5 Fe2, 5 Fe atoms, 5 Fe atoms. Don't worry about the charges. We will balance the charges. Let's see. Let's see the charges on the left side and the right side. So 8 positive, 5 times 2, 10. 8 plus 10, 18 positive. 18 positive. Take away 1 electron, 1 negative. So 17 positive on the left hand side. Check here. 5 times 3, 15 positive plus 2 positive. 15 plus 2, 17 positive charges. 17 positive charges on the left side, 17 positive charges on the right hand side. So everything is balanced. So that's our final overall equation, meaning MnO4 minus, actually it's KMnO4 minus, but the potassium is the spectator ion. MnO4 minus, which is a well-known oxidizing agent, it oxidizes Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. Can we do one more example? Write down one more equation. First we will do the half equations. Potassium dichromate Cr2O7 2 minus becomes Cr3 plus. This is not the V, guys. My handwriting. This is R, chromium. Cr3 plus. Okay. You can use ferrous or you can use copper. Copper is a metal. Cu becomes Cu2 plus. Half equation. Both of them are the half equation. I want to start with the first half equation. Potassium dichromate, which is orange in color. When it oxidizes, its color changes to green. Potassium dichromate is also a well-known oxidizing agent. It oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehyde, which further oxidizes to carboxylic acid. I will make videos on the organic chemistry. I didn't start yet. I will make videos on organic chemistry in the future. Anyways, potassium dichromate, Cr2O7, actually it's potassium dichromate. Again, potassium is the spectator ion. Cr2O7 2 minus becomes Cr3 plus, and it oxidizes copper Cu to Cu2 plus. Let's follow all the rules just now I have discussed to balance the half equation by ion electron method. Now, same thing, balance the oxygen by using water molecule, left side and right side. How many water molecule I have to add here? 7 H2O. Balance oxygen atom by adding H2. Cr2O7 2 minus Cr3 plus 7 H2O. Now on the right side I have 14 hydrogen atom. Balance hydrogen atom by adding balance hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ion. We are balancing half equation in the acidic medium. That's why we are using H plus ions. On which side, guys? On the left side, because on the right hand side I have 14 H hydrogen excess. So add 14 H plus Cr2O7 2 minus becomes Cr3 plus 7H2O. Is everything balanced? Before balancing the charges, check everything balanced. Chromium 2, chromium 1. Most of the students, they ignore this part. They thought everything is balanced. No, you have to check by inspection. Just check all the atoms are balanced or not before adding electrons. So how many chromium here? 2 chromium. I have to times by 2 here. Now charges. Let's balance the charges. 14 positive and 2 negative. So 12 positive on the left hand side. How many positive on the left hand side? 12 positive. 2 times 3, 6 positive. So 6 positive. So out of 12 on the reactant side, it gives away how many positive? 6. So how many positive charges are they on the left side in excess? 6 positive. How can we balance the positive charges? By using electrons, by adding electrons. So add 6 electrons, add 6 electrons on the left side. Okay, 6 electrons plus 14H plus Cr2O7 2 minus becomes Cr3 plus how many chromium? 2 chromium plus 7 water molecule. Now check everything is balanced or not. Why I'm keep on telling check everything is balanced or not? If you can't balance one half equation, if you won't check it, and if you try to balance everything, you will get a wrong answer at the end when you add both the equations. So check every time. You have to check whether this half equation is balanced or not. One more time, guys. Look at that. Chromium, how many chromium? 2 chromium, balance. 2 chromium, 2 chromium, balance. How many oxygen atoms? 7 oxygen atom. 7 oxygen atom, balance. How many hydrogen? 14 hydrogen atom. 14 hydrogen atom. Now charges. 14 positive. Okay. 6 and 2, 8. 14 minus 8, 6 positive charges. Excess here and 6 positive charges. So both are cancelled on each side. Now it oxidizes. I told you potassium dichromate is the well-known oxidizing agent. It oxidizes copper Cu to Cu2 plus. It's taking the electron from the copper. Now how many copper on each side? 1 1. You don't need to balance copper. Is there any oxygen? No oxygen. So we don't need to balance oxygen. We don't need to balance hydrogen. Only the charges. Look at the charges. 0 charge and 2 positive charge. How can we neutralize the positive charge? By adding electrons on the right side. Just add 2 electrons. Add 2 electrons here. So this is my equation 1. That's my equation 2. We have to add both the equation in such a way that you have to cancel electron in the overall equation. The overall equation should not contain any electrons. Now, how can I cancel 6 electrons and 2 electrons? The easy way is time this equation by 3 and make this 2 electron into 6 electron. So time this by 3. Now look at that. How many copper? 3 copper on that side. 3 Cu becomes 3 Cu2 plus 6 electron. Check the position of the electron. What do you mean, sir? The electron should not be on the same side. Otherwise, we have to add the electron. The electron should be on the opposite side. Now look at the number of electrons. Here on the left side, here on the right side. Can we cancel? Yes. Cancel, cancel. Add these two equations. Add both the equation randomly, reactant on the reactant sides, product on the product sides. So C14 H plus Cr2O7 2 minus plus 3 copper, that gives Cr3 plus 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2O plus 3 Cu2 plus. Is everything? Let me check. Let me check, is everything balanced or not? Look at that. How many chromium? 2 chromium. 2 chromium, balance. How many oxygen? 7 oxygen atom from this side. 7 oxygen atom from that side. How many hydrogen? 14 hydrogen atom. 7 times 2, 14 hydrogen atom. How many copper from here? 3 copper, 3 copper. Now the charges. 14 positive, take away 2 negative. How many? 12 positive on this side. 12 positive. 2 times 3, 6 positive. 3 times 2, 6 positive. Is everything balanced? 12 positive on the left side, 12 positive on the right side. This equation is completely balanced. So I want to stop my video here. I will come back with this type of question. We will do this balancing the half equation question in acidic media as well as in the basic media in my next video. Please, if you have any question regarding the redox reaction or any kind of question in terms of organic chemistry or physical chemistry, please write down your question in the comment box below and send it to me. Thanks for watching this video.